Hello and welcome to this very simple, short and sweet yoga practice where we can practice anytime and anywhere, regardless of the amount of space that we have. So as and when you're ready, I'll invite you to come through to your seated positions, just ensuring that the sit bones are comfortable. And as and when you arrive, palms coming down onto the thighs, fingertips on to the knees. As we are short on time, we'll get right into the practice. We'll begin to circle and spiral. Ensuring we pause and go in the opposite direction. And casually beginning to bring the arms up overhead. YMCA hovering, maybe a gentle high five. Gaze can go upward if comfortable for the neck. Maybe we even take a gentle back bend. Taking the fingertips back up towards the sky, we'll begin to come into a twist. Right hand coming onto that left knee or thigh, left hand behind. Left hand beginning to rise. Maybe you take that gentle side stretch over towards the right. As I face you, I'm aspiring to mirror. Beginning to bring that left hand onto the right thigh. We'll tuck and round. Beginning to take the shoulders back over the sit bones, releasing, taking the arms up overhead, that upward salute, and twisting in the opposite direction. Right hand coming over towards that left, tucking and rounding. The shoulders coming over the sit bones, taking the arms up. We'll take a cactus this round, opening up the chest. Fingertips rising. Left hand coming down towards the side, gentle side pulse, and then a gentle rock back and forth. Right hand beginning to come back down, left arm rising. Pulse, and again, maybe that gentle rock. Left arm coming down. And we'll begin to take the legs in front, soles of the feet coming towards myself for the screen. And we'll begin to bend that right knee. As we do so, we'll begin to take the fingertips towards the feet, maybe interlacing the hands. We can stay right here, lengthening. Otherwise, beginning to tap that right heel. Maybe we go our 90 degrees. Maybe we go a little bit further. We'll begin to bend that right knee, taking a twist. Left hand coming to the outside of that right foot. Right hand behind. We can begin to spiral the chest over to the side. Maybe we begin to straighten that right leg. So it's a little bit of leverage, tensing up the right fingertips. We'll begin to bend that right knee, hand coming back to the foot, and we'll begin to extend. We'll begin to explore a variation of side plank, beginning to soften that right knee. We might need to readjust the body. We're going to take this right leg over. So we're coming onto the pinky edge of that left leg, coming onto the left hand. And we can stay here. Imagine that right foot staying exactly where it is, or beginning to press into that left hand. Right arm rising. If you've got space, you might take that right hand towards the ear. Opening up. Right hand beginning to come back as we release that left hip. And beginning to unfurl. Sit bones coming back in contact with the earth. Soles of the feet going forward, lifting. We'll begin to hinge. Hands onto the thighs, calves maybe onto the feet. We'll gently begin to lift the torso, bending that left knee. We're going to explore this all on the other side. Fingertips are interlacing the hands, thumb slightly on the top of that left foot. We might begin to tap. We may go that 90 degrees, maybe a little bit further. Softening that left knee, right hand coming onto the outside of that left foot. We're coming into that initial twist. Left hand tented up. Maybe we begin to straighten. Softening that left knee, left hand coming back to the foot, and we'll straighten. Left foot gently coming down. We'll begin to take that modified or variation of side plank. Beginning to come over with that left foot, coming onto the pinky edge, that right side, getting our stability, our foundation. We can stay, maybe beginning to press. Exhaling, beginning to release that right hip. Beginning to unfurl, left leg coming in front. We'll take the arms up, softening and folding. Beginning to lift the torso. Casually beginning to bend the knees. We're coming through to your butterfly, diamond, or triangle shape. Hands along the shins. So take a gentle circle as and when we arrive. From this circle, and we'll begin to gently hinge. Elbows might come onto the thighs or the space that you've made, or maybe on the outside of the shins. Not forcing, gently beginning to fold. Gently beginning to lift. Hands coming underneath the thighs. So begin to tuck the chin towards the chest, rounding, forehead coming towards the neck. Beginning to lift. Casually beginning to come through to your easy seat or comfortable. And we'll begin to take the hands out of the heart. Casually bowing the head to the hands in gratitude for investing in your well-being and your practice. And thank you for taking this very short and sweet yoga practice. If you'd like to stack your practice by taking another video, please check out the link in the description for the playlist. Otherwise, I'll see you again soon.